Hi everyone, this is Lady T here, and today we are cleaning my oven with baking soda and vinegar. This is my first time trying this method with the baking soda and vinegar. I usually use the spray aerosol cleaner that you usually buy from Walmart or from the other stores. But today I wanted to use something that was a little more natural and a whole lot less more fumes. So let's see how this turns out on today. Stay tuned. And this is my dirty oven. I have some hard spots that I'm going to have to use some elbow grease with, but I'm sure it will come up. We'll see as we go along. And just so you know, this is part 3 of my kitchen series. I have several other parts to come along after this, so stay tuned and be sure to be subscribed. Thank you so much for stopping by to my faithful few. And I am so appreciative of you taking the time out to watch this video. Just wanted to pop in and let you know, guys, that this smells so much better than the aerosol sprays that we usually buy to clean our ovens out with. And it's easier to work with, I think. And I'm going to spread this on the hard areas first, giving that just a little extra paste. And we're going to let this sit overnight. And what's going to happen is it's going to harden, and we're going to spray the water and vinegar in the morning. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Well, guys, it is the next morning, and of course, the baking soda and water and detergent has hardened on the surfaces. And what we're going to do is go ahead and spray the oven surfaces, especially the hard spots first, and we're going to go ahead and clean. So guys, take notice at how the baking soda foams when you spray the mixture onto the surface. This will allow the mixture to agitate the dirt somewhat, so that it makes it a little easier for you to wipe it off the surfaces. So I suggest that you work in sections so that you are able to work in a small area at a time. If you're not able to clean a spot right away or for the first wiping down, make a little more paste and put it on that area once again. Let it sit for a while you're cleaning the other areas, and come back to it and try that area again. So if that doesn't work, don't forget to use your scraper. That should get it done for you.